We are having so much fun learning a lot from Marco's season. Marco, thank you for being honest and candid. You're really answering all the questions about, what happened at that time and all that. But earlier, before we went on a break, we promised them you'll share with them ang secret ng longevity in a business like this. Is it attitude, talent, both? Prayers, of course, number one.
Oh, a little bit of everything. Oo. Siyempre, kailangan swerte. Tapos, I don't know, some people tell me na, oh, you haven't changed. You sound the same. And you look the same, ganyan-ganyan. You take care of yourself.
Right.
Yung boses mo na, ako, hindi naman ako nagsisigarilyo. I don't drink. Ang problema ko lang is that sometimes I sleep late.
Yes.
So, kalaban ko yun actually ng mga singers.
Do you still work with vocal coaches? Do you still vocalize every day? What do you do?
I don't vocalize. I practice. Kasi yung, siguro ganun, yung matatawag mong pag-vocalize yan, gawa ng, I actually sing. That's how I practice.
So you're always singing? Okay. How about you're taking care of your skin?
My skin? Maganda ba?
Ano ginagamit mo sa skin mo? Maybe
Nothing.
I can use it.
Cheap lang ako. Cheap. I'm really, hindi ko alam.
Pero are you the type who would put like sunscreen in the morning? Because we're in a business that requires you to be vain.
I know, but I don't do that. Hindi talaga.
Really?
Hindi talaga. Siguro sa buong buhay ko in my at this age.
Akala ko sasabihin mo na eh. Okay.
At this age, siguro I've only been, yung facial, siguro wala pang 10 times.
Ganon? Dapat pumunta ka sa O Skincare pag nandito ka sa Amerika.
O Skincare?
Yes, I'm going to give you their address and phone number so you get to talk to them and para mapamper ang iyong skin.
Siguro I got the DNA from my parents.
Ayan, okay.
I'm not sure eh. I used to joke a lot when I was young na pag may mga kaibigan ako na maraming pimples, sabihin ko, oh, may pimple na ako. Sabi, oh, bakit may pimple ka? Ganon, no? So, ako, at least wala na akong problema. Wala ka ng problema. Kasi problema ko yun kung paano magka-pimple.
Ang sama mo, siguro sasapatusin kita kung friend kita. Okay, writing songs. Okay, now you're making an album. Tell us about that.
Oh, wow. Yung frustration ko na Tagalog song, na romantic, love song, binuhos ko lahat dito. 10 songs to na puro Tagalog, 6 by Benny Saturno. I have 2 compositions, and I asked this new, really, really good composer. His name is Edwin Maro. 2 songs from him.
Okay.
So, itong album na to, talagang wala kang itatapon.
Kailan ilo-launch ang album?
Probably, hopefully next year.
Ayan. Pagka kumakanta ka, ang inspiration ba from singing before is the same as the inspiration na to sing now? Or mag-iba?
That's an interesting question.
Diba?
Alam mo ako, iba-ibang subject ko pagdating sa ganun. Siyempre, ang motivation ko is the opposite sex. Siyempre, babae. Siyempre, iba yung mga hits nung araw, nung 80s ako. And I'm hoping in this album, magkakaroon ako ng bagong new set of hits. And nakaka-inspire kasi ang daming, it's bagong generation ngayon eh.
Parang na-excite naman ata akong marinig itong album na to.
Oo, kasi it's hindi naman to yung traditional Marco season songs eh.
Right.
It's kind of different.
A different Marco season. In one word, what's a different Marco season? From before and now.
Oh
What's
my
the Marco
God.
season now? One word lang kasi wala na tayong time.
Ikaw muna kasi wala akong maisip.
A different Marco season, before and now?
Flexible.
Flexible ka now. Yeah. Which is good. Yes. Ito ba yung CD na yun? Hindi, iba pa yan.
That's from last year.
Ayan. Kinuha ko na. Akin na to.
I recorded, para sa kanya may dedication na, I recorded that here and released in the Philippines.
Yes. And there's a song here, Till I Met You. Alam mo naman, ang topic sa mga songs is always about love. Yung love na hindi napapalitan, o yung bagong umuusbong na love, o yung broken-hearted, yung love that was there but not
Very
anymore.
Filipino.
And here is Marco Season singing for us. One of my favorite songs. Yung mga, pag nai-in-love ka pa lang, you sing this song, di ba? Alright, enjoy this one, guys. Thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love was just a game that children play, no more than a game, till I met you. I never knew what love was till I met you. This feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I believe you. I believe in every word when you say I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you'll stay.